Gardening Today with Cheralyn Darcey.
Sick of lawns invading your garden beds? Well, edging is the answer, but most people don't get it quite right. The big secret is depth. All lawn edging needs to be at least 15 centimetres deep to be effective in holding back those grass runners. You can use purpose-made garden edging that's available in lots of different materials, or why not repurpose something like old bricks and pavers, well, on their ends, of course. Just remember that no barrier is 100% grass-proof, but it will go some way in holding those runaway runners at bay. The flower of the day is the tulip tree, and in the language of flowers, they mean safety, ancestors and service. Cheralyn Darcey, Gardening Today.